Even though interfaces are currently more push-button oriented, let's see how to create a menu bar. In 4D, we can create up to 32,000 menu bars. Each one can be named to make it easier to navigate among them. A menu bar can be displayed by programming, such as the setMenuBar command, or when it's associated with a form. In this case, when the form appears, its menu bar replaces the previous one. Now that our setup works, we're going to create a menu bar and call our navigation method from one of the items in this menu. Display the toolbox, select Menus. This window initially shows a list of all the menu bars and menus available. When you click on one of the menu bars, by default the first one is selected, all of its menus appear. Next, for each menu, we can see the items that are associated with it. At first, we're just going to rename menu bar number 1 Navigation. We click on this menu bar, and in the title area on the right, we call it Navigation. Then we hit Enter to validate the change. Next, with a right click, we can choose Attach a menu to the menu bar Navigation and then New Menu. Then with a right click on this menu, we can use the context menu to add an item to it. Next, we can change the title of the menu item and choose the navigation method. It's likely that you only have one item. The other methods that are available here are those available in the components that are installed. After all this, we associate the navigation method with item 1, which is itself associated with menu 4, which is itself associated with the menu bar. So we can rename this menu as Access, which will allow us to access different options that we're going to define. To test these menus in the Run menu, we select Test Application, and then we see the different menus including the Access menu, which contains the navigation item that will run the navigation method.